In today's class, we will study the literary research and literary review. This topic is present in BAMS third phase syllabus. In that research methodology subject, the fifth chapter and seventh topic. What is meant by literary research? Why we are doing as a student, as a research scholars? Why we are doing literary research? Because if you are doing research related to the only literary, it means that if literary research is nothing but only we have to do research related to the old ancient already written textbooks like manuscripts or old text like Charaka Samhita, Shusru Samhita, or Nidhanas, Madhav Nidhana, as well as Nigantus, manuscripts. In that, searching our own topic. Suppose if you are doing example, your topic is the Prameha Roga. That you are searching the Prameha in ancient book instead of doing the research in the practically in the labs. You no need to do here in the labs as well as in the on the human trials. Here it is nothing to do here. The only literary research is nothing but just searching in the previous already written textbooks like manuscripts, old books, or nigantus. This is called as a literary research. And literary review means that already someone is written that you are commenting or summarizing what it means, that you are giving your own opinion. That is the literary review. Now we'll study one by one the definition of the literary research here. Here, the literary research is a systematic investigation into literary text, theories, themes, authors, periods, genres to gain insight or reinterpret existing ones. It means that your topic is what you are doing. The literary research is nothing but the systematically you are investigating into literary text, that old text, its theories, themes how are written, authors, as well as period, genres, to gain the new knowledge, something new. It means that already some shlokas are written, to new understanding of that shloka. Okay, that is new insight, and reinterpret the existing one. What actually want to tell the authors at that period, okay, the specific time period that you are reinterpreting. This is the definition of the literary research. Now, a review means the involves critical evaluation and analyzing the literature work, the scholarly literature. Someone is already published, that you are doing the here evaluation or analyzing the literary works is nothing but the literary review. Okay, now what is the objective? Why the researchers are doing this one? Here, my objective is to first is explore the literary text in the depth, to understand your topic in the very deep, to explore the literary text in the depth. Suppose your Agni is one of the topic in that you are doing the research. That searching the Agni in the different books like Charak Samhita, Susru Samhita, Ashtanga Sangraha, as well as Bhava Prakash Nigantu, like that, the wherever the related topics or drugs it is given, you are searching the deep here, this one. Next, to analyze the themes, how the thematically it is given, structure, as well as the literary devices. Devices nothing but the in which styles they are written, that also we are aim or objective is there of the literary research. Next one, to study the historical. It means that at which period it is told, culture, at what culture it is there, as well as theoretical context, to make the strong your theories like your Tridosha, Panchmahabhutas, theoretical purpose also. And next to compare the authors and genre. It means that suppose Agni is told in the Charak Samhita, in the Vagbhata, what he told, that is comparing the things like here at compare the authors as well as genre it is. Next, to evaluate the existing criticisms, to evaluate whether it is someone is criticizing or someone is that is tarka, vitarka it is given, that is existing criticizing someone, that you have to evaluate and contribute original insight, what actually want to tell, that you have to see. Next is the types of research. How many types of research? The first is the textual analysis. Text analysis, close reading of the textbook. It means that your topic is the prameya roga. In that, the searching deep meaning, that close reading of the textbook, the related topic of the prameya, all the books you are old books you are analyzing text, that is the close reading of the textbook is the one type of the literary review. Next one is the theoretical research, is nothing but your theories, like if you are an Ayurvedic scholar, it means the theories like your basic principles like Tridosha, Agni, or Panchmahabhutas, or basic the theories for Malas, like that. The theory research, you are using the literary theories, using the this type of research, using literary research, the theoretical research you can do here. The next third type is the historical research. It means the searching at period, in what period it is told, the study of literature in the its historical context. The prameha at present, that is the, we can compare it the madhumeha with diabetes mellitus. The previously at Charak, at the period of that time, the how many prameha told, what they are used, and Vagbhata how they understood what actual they want to tell. Everything the in their historically we have to do the research. This is the historical research. Next, third one, comparative research, the comparing two author's opinion here, the comparing textual across culture and time based on the time. Next, review based research. The review based research is method. Someone is the reviewed here. The that one synthesize existing literature and criticize. Someone is criticized the what actually they want to tell. You have to give your opinion. Next is the literature review in the research. The next topic is literature review in the research. That means you are giving the reviews. So how many, what actually they told. It is nothing but review is, it is a structured summary that you are writing, the reading all the old textbook about your topic, like prameha, reading all textbook, and lastly you are structurally writing your summaries. The summary analysis of scholarly work already published on the text. Already someone is published their work, the magazines or that related, wherever the published work it is there, like PubMed, everything you have to read. After that, you can write the summary. This is the literary review. Next, it helps to identify the gaps. What is the importance? Why we have to do the this literary review? Whenever you are reading the about your topic, old text as well as in the old journals or as well as the manuscripts, you will get the ideas, the where the gap it is there, where we have to do the actual research, the gap, identify the gaps, trends, what is the common thing, it is the trends and key arguments in the field. You will get the idea by reading the old text. Next is often to include primary and secondary sources. You can do here the literary research review based on the primary source, based on primary book, or secondary someone is reviewed, again you can do. This is the secondary source, also you can do literary review. Lastly, the importance of academic writing. What is the importance of academic writing here? The first is establish the research backgrounds. Whenever you are reading, you are doing some research, you will get the background fund. You can tell that the previously this is the gap, that's why I am doing this research. Like that, you can establish your research work by using the previous books, or you can give the quote the someone's. Okay, you can give the reference, due to that I want to do this research, like that. That because of the background purpose established of this research, this literary research is helpful. Next one is the support original argument, that previously it is not there, I am doing this one, that's why you have to support your original argument. You can use literary research. Next one is avoid duplicate work. If you are doing the literary research, what is helpful? The main thing is the previously someone did, you can avoid this one, double triple times, that is avoiding duplication existing work, you can avoid. Next is the enhanced critical thinking. If you are doing the literary research, what is the help here? The your thinking will grows, that is the critical thinking enhance, as well as scholarly dialogues. It means that scholarly the knowledge will increases. You can argue someone that because it is it told in this textbook, that's why I am doing this work, like that you can explain. This is about the literary research and literary review. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, share it to your friends. Thank you.